Let's make this elegant holiday wreath. Okay, so what we're going to do is start with a length of our Bowdabra bow wire. I need to cut a piece long enough so I can tie it, fold it in half, and then also have enough left that I can tie it around my wreath. So I'm going to fold this in half, lay this down into my Bowdabra, tuck the ends underneath. Then I'm going to go to the overhead camera, and we're going to take these beautiful pick and lay this down into my Bowdabra. This is a pick that I got from Catherine's collection, which has absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous products. Lay this down in here. Then I have my tails, and I'm just going to lay those down in my Bowdabra. And we're going to now make a traditional fold and twist bow. So I'm just going to twist. And the reason that we do the fold and twist is because that way I have the right side of the ribbon on the outside of my loops. So we're going to twist and fold and twist. And just my loops are pretty much the same size. I don't worry if they're perfect, because if you were making it by hand, which a lot of people do, it's not going to be perfect. The Bowdabra acts like your third hand, and the springs hold everything in place. So we're just going to twist. So all this is just fold and twist and fold and twist, and then I'm just going to end with a little button loop right here. So it's just, you make the loop about, I generally do them about half of the size of the bigger loops, but I didn't have enough ribbon on this one, so I just made it a little bit smaller. Then I'm going to take my wand, scrunch everything down into my Bowdabra, pull up my Bowdabra bow wire, pull it tight while it's still in my Bowdabra, pull it out of the Bowdabra. I'm going to separate the ends, bring it around to the back, tie it off, and knot it. And then now I'm going to shape out. I'm just going to clip this little piece here because we don't need that. And shape out my button loop, shape out all my other loops. And again, this is a wired ribbon. And if you want to know how much ribbon we use, definitely check the description box below the video. So now I'm going to grab and we have all the measurements there. We also have a ton of tutorials at bowdabra.com. So I want to actually put this on like this, and we'll bring this around to the back. I'm going to tie it, and I'm going to now twist it because that will help it be tight. And now I'm just going to tie a bow and go ahead to the front facing camera. And as you can see, we have this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous wreath. So thanks so much, everybody, for watching, for sharing and following us. And we'll see you all in the next video.